Wow.
Alright, Martin. This is day 2. We're gonna take out the rear. Martin, hurry up. I need the pew pew gun. I need to zap them, bitch. Oh, still got it, baby.
I need a check.
Oh! We're good.
Alright.
Pump the gym, pump it up, pump the gym.
Hey, don't get this in there. Don't get that in there. Nobody needs to know.
Alright, that's in progress, baby. Part you got there, buddy.
Look at this. Matco EHR 383. So you know, right? You know when you're under your car and you're trying to mess with these exhaust hangers, right? And you're using like panel locks trying to get it off and everything, right? It's just pain. Watch this. Look. You see this one, right? Always lube it up a little bit. A little lube never hurt anybody, right? A little spit, right? So you just line this up like this and watch this. Oh my God.
You love to see it.
Look at that. Look how easy that was.
Oh, the blast pipes are out. Man, I don't want to get canceled by this, but look, ISIS, baby. I need to invest money in proper tools, mate. Because this is atrocious. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, God. Am I on it?
Nope. Left. Down. Towards you. Nope. Towards you. A little bit more. All right. Up. A little bit back. Yep. Nope. Towards you. Back. Towards you. Yep. Up. Nope. A little bit. Nope. Back. Right there.
You call that the drive shaft?
Yes. It's a shaft and it drives the car.
Man, stroke that thing, cuzzo.
Keep going. Push harder. Let it up straight, bud. Yeah. Now take that one out of the way.
Oh, give me the bazooka. How you doing there, bud?
Huh?
How you doing there?
Pretty shit. Being completely honest. I'm a little claustrophobic and I don't like being in tight places. Why aren't we drinking? I feel like we should be drinking doing this. See, you gotta be sober putting it back together. But taking it apart, you don't really need to be sober. God damn, you still have a purge valve in this? That's crazy. Holy shit. It's good because that means nobody really this car, but you don't need it. All right, take it out of gear and put the e-brake down.
Out of gear.
Back in gear.
In gear.
All right, you're good. All right, you piece of stupid bolts. Stupid piece of shit. Why is it stuck? Am I on it? Am I? Take it out of gear. And the drive shaft is out.
Fuck off. Meet me in the middle, whore.
You're not even in the middle. I'm under the car. You're out of the car. You. Okay. The subframe is ready to come down.
What are you talking about?
Is your penis cut?
I'm circumcised, Doug.
Okay, good, me too.
I'm Jewish. Alright, the bazooka is going over here because we need space. Line this up in the center. Ooh. Oh.
Here, pump up the jam. I'm a guy that you pump it. Alright, pump up the jam. Alright, slow down. Right there.
Ooh, baby. look at that. Damn.
Easy peasy. I do this shit all day.
Good stuff, my guy.
I do this for a living. Yeah, see, look. Oh my god.
Ooh. Alright, we ripped the rear out. Now we just gotta take all these arms off, put the new ones on, and put it back in.
Yep.